Today, I'm going to help you build the perfect streaming TV setup. Simple, affordable, and perfect for your household. Step 1. Choose your TV wisely. The best streaming TV might be the one you already have, as long as it's a smart TV. Most newer models have built-in platforms like Roku, Fire TV, or Google TV, meaning you may not need a separate device. Just connect to Wi-Fi and you're good to go. But be warned, some built-in platforms can be slow or missing apps. Step 2. Get a streaming device. My two favorites, Roku Ultra and Apple TV, 4K. Roku offers a clean, simple interface and tons of free content. Apple TV is ad-free, fast, and seamless. For other TVs, consider the Roku Streaming Stick Plus. Small, hidden, and often half the price of the Ultra. Remember my two rules. Buy the latest model year, and only when it's on sale. Step 3. Organize your apps. Put the apps you pay for at the top, and rotate or remove unused ones monthly. Keep at least one free app like Tubi, the Roku channel, or Pluto TV front and center to remind yourself there's always free content. Step 4. Check your internet speed. Visit speedtest.net. You need about 25 megabits per second to stream in 4K on one device. Bonus tip, grab a $12 indoor antenna. It's still the cheapest way to get local stations without a subscription. If this helped, hit like, share your setup tips below, and subscribe for more streaming updates and deals.